What's up, Goated ones? It's the Goated.vc here, tearing you down to build you up. Hope you're having a great day. We're on day 5, daily teardowns. We are doing Typogram today. Typogram is a next generation logo creator. Let's just check out the hero. Design your brand yourself. And there's a video. This video is cut off in a strange way. It's got multiple overlays. So I don't know why there's so much overlaid onto one thing, but let's check out the video. Next generation brand design tool. True. Most real brands don't do that. True. Very cool. Interesting. All right, that's about as much as I would probably watch. 45 seconds. I think I've seen enough to know that this would be something interesting. One UX thing is like I can't click out of here. I'm supposed to click this close thing, which is very hard to read that it says close. It looks to me like it says blobe. Yeah, there's some things that are more stylistic. So in terms of the hero, I totally understand the product. I was able to see the preview. It does what I thought it would do. So I would probably give it an 8.3. I think the multiple things stacked in this middle part is not ideal. And I think the header, next generation logo design tool for startups and small businesses, I don't know why it doesn't say that here. I think that's a good tagline. So 8.3 on the brand, on the hero. Let's see. $124.99 per brand lifetime. It's pretty nice. Create your fabulous new brand kit today. Pricing details. I wouldn't go straight into pricing details. You gotta put more work into convincing people that it's a good tool. There's a lot of text. I'm not reading it. More text, not reading it. I saw the number and then I'd keep scrolling. Licensing, unique license model, purchase on a per branding project basis. Got it. I don't know why this is sideways. It makes it hard to read. I know that might be a UX thing. This font I just cannot stand. It is too difficult to read. Editable icons. Wow. Now that is cool. That is really cool. So you can really make something unique. I think this is incredible. This is the tool I've kind of been looking for building my own brands for Inca. And you understand, like, swapping an element of a word with an icon is one of the many ways brands are built. And I think this is democratizing logo design in a way. This is what I needed to see up here. Yeah, all these great features. Beautifully crafted. I love that you have the video preview next to the text. Some people like to read, some people like to see it visually. So it's good to have different options. Showcase gallery. None of this is really great showcase stuff, personally. I mean, that's okay. That's pretty good. That's very cool. I think you probably could pick some better examples because I don't know if those are really hidden as well as they could. Who it's for? That's a great section. A lot of text. I'm just Most time when people are scrolling through, they're not going to read all this text. Oh my God. FAQ. You lose a point for FAQ every time. If there's a FAQ, something is messed up. Something was wrong. So on the home page, I would give it a 7.7. It's almost there. Just a couple little things to clean up. Let's see the product. So I've used the product before, so it's not completely new to me. But let's do a new brand name called Frank and Ernest. This is something I am going to work on. Click through. Let's do something. What do I want it to be? Premium. Youthful. And stylish. That's what I would say. Colors. I'd probably say dark bluish. Yeah, I'd probably go something there. Although I generally like logos to be grayscale or one color, so it can be inverted. Youthful, premium. Yeah, let's go with those. Take that out. Go more stylish. Let's go Sinking Sands. So what can we do? We can swap a letter. What can I do? Oh, I have an idea. All right. Check it out. Let's do something different. I've had a brand idea for a while, actually for a sum total of like 3 days. It's called Joint Venture, and it's about weed and business. So it should be fun. Should be youthful, and it should be peaceful. This color thing I don't really get, because I mean you can change the colors very easily. So let's say fun, and youthful. So we can take that joint venture. Oh, so that I think that would work. Joint venture with the I as like a. Oh. All right. Let me see if I can. Hold on. If I can get a blunt. Hold on, guys. We can get a blunt SVG. All right, so I'm searching on some other sites. It's $2. All right, let's check this out. Pay for this. Let's go Etsy. I'm unable to access your account. Okay, whatever. Not sure why this is not working. To my shipping address. All right, guys, I'm going to put you on pause for a hot second. All right, we are back, and I think I got it. So what we're gonna do, I downloaded this from Etsy. So now we can put our own SVG. I can import icon. Wait, what? SVG code. Shit. I do not know. See, people think I'm not a designer officially. I'm just dangerous. Damn. How do I get the SVG code? I have no idea. That's why we Google things, y'all. How do I get the code from an SVG file? Open it in text editor. Genius. How about we just do that? All right. So I'm doing that off screen. Copy and paste. Boom. Import icon. Oh, I get it. All right. So we're going to have to make it bigger. Let me just double check. Looking all right. Let's just keep making this bigger. I'm going to have to rotate it other direction. All right. Just keep making it bigger. Too much white space in between these two. I'll probably also edit this part, but you kind of get the point. Can I change the spacing between letters? There's a gap there. Is that the offset X? Offset X. And then offset X, other direction. Yeah, I wonder if I can edit this in Photoshop. Sorry guys, I'm doing it live. I'm just gonna edit out this part of it. It's surprising what you can get done when you try. Photoshop is not rocket science. It just takes a little bit of practice, and the best thing my dad ever taught me was that anything you want to learn, there is a book that will teach you how to do it from somebody that's been doing it for a long time. Just most people aren't going to read the book. And the modern version is there's a YouTube video that explains something that took somebody else like decades of their life to learn. And you could learn it in 2 seconds. So let's export this. I'm trying to lasso this. And I think we got something. We're going to save this and export it. I think you can export as SVG. Can you? Looks like not. Can I convert PNG to SVG? I believe I can. So I'm getting sidetracked, right? This is what you have to do to get a blunt. Crazy. So there's a site vectorizer.ai, which I love. It's free now. I love that it's free. I don't know why they're not charging people for it, but take your PNGs, upload it to these folks, and you will get a vector file. There you go. So I can download this as SVG. And now open the SVG file in text editor. Select all, copy, and go back to Typogram. Let's go swap with icon. And import this icon. Now when we rotate it, gotta go the other way. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Perfect. Now, can we get this to actually be closer? And the J obviously should be closer. This also should be a little bit bigger, right? I feel like it's not quite big enough. I think I need to change the offset on the Y. There you go. So you can adjust things to fit exactly how you need it. This tool is actually very, very good. I'm very impressed. Other direction. And I think just a little bit more. Like that. And a real designer probably would do a little bit better, but joint venture, I think that looks pretty good. And I think that's the end of the distinctive logo kerning. I really don't know what kerning means. But as an example, I think this is a pretty solid logo. I will purchase a license for this. I'll probably play with this a little bit more. But in terms of the product review, I would give this product a I'd probably give it a 9.1 because it's pretty brilliant, and I can see it going the route of Taylor Brands, which started off as a logo creator, or man, what was that one? Looka. There's a couple of these kind of brand builder tools, but I think this one empowers people the most by giving the knowledge of how the process works. So this is actually one of my favorite ones. I think this is one I'm going to use a lot more. So yeah, that's it. As always, brush your teeth, walk in the corner. Denbo out. Denbo out. Denbo out.